Hey everyone, happy Halloween. I hope everybody's getting a little scared today. This is Elaine at Larkin Lane Creations, and I kind of want to show you what our day has been like. You know, earlier I told you that I had done roaches on everyone's keyboards last year. Well, this year I kind of went with spiders. So anyway, not everyone is here today, so some of them will come in later. So I might have a few blessed words said to me in a little while. Anyway, I was going to do scars, these scar tattoos. And one of my coworkers said, now if you do that, they're hard to get off. So as you can see, here they lay. I chickened out. I just did not want to have one of these scars across my nose and it be there for a few days. So anyway, I want to show you what our day has been like. So Joanne's helping me on the camera again today. And this is just on my computer. I'm still kind of old school and learning all of this technology. So I've just put these pictures up. This is some of the ladies in the group, how they dressed up today. And this is me getting eaten by the dinosaur. Anyway, here's what I was up to this morning, an hour before everyone got here. This is Amanda's mouse pad. You can see the spider. Then this is Jennifer's. She's got some kind of paper flower there next to her computer, and I'm not quite sure what this pink syringe is all about. I have to talk to her about that. This is Joanne's, and that's who's behind the camera. That's how I got her this morning. And this is Karen's, and you can see I've got her on her little whiteout roller. She's not here, so that's one I'll hear from later. And this is Kristen's. I got her on her post-it notes. And then here, this is Marisol. I got her on her mouse pad. She's part-time. I'm not sure she's here today either. And then, I don't know, this one's a little tough to see. This is Rebecca. She has this giraffe that's like magnetic and it holds all these paper clips. Well, there's the spider. And unfortunately, this is my boss. I got him on his coffee cup. He's not said anything to me yet today, but I know he saw it. And this is one of our VPs. I got him on his little notepad. And this is another one of our VPs that's traveling. So he'll see that on Monday. And so this is Vicky. This is the last one that I did. Her spider's crawling up her mouse pad as well that sits on her calendar. So I hope you all have been able to trick someone today. And I hope, you get some treats too. But this is too much fun not to do. So anyway, please give me a thumbs up, ring my little bell so you know when I've put up a new video, and please subscribe. I'm real close to 100 and I would at least like to get to 100 subscribers. Y'all have a good Halloween. Bye!